Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here, and it's time to go thrifting. Before we jump into the quick trip into the Goodwill, guys, I wanted to just pass along a little watch out note. I'm actually just hanging out here. Mountain Kids got a meeting for the dance team, and they're trying to, of course, limit numbers. So I'm relegated to sitting out in the parking lot waiting for her. So I'm going to edit together this video, and I thought, you know what, let's add something into it. If you're in printing your labels, I just happened to notice this this afternoon, as I was printing labels out. I know for a while I've been seeing the message on the top when you go to print a label that tells you, hey, USPS is slow, you might want to pick a faster service, right? Well, today, for the first time, all of a sudden, instead of just telling me that message, which it was still up there, it defaulted to a quicker, more expensive shipping method. So for example, on something that they picked first class on, the default when you hit, the button to go in to print the label and enter your weight and your measurements and all that, the radio button was defaulted to priority. I had some that were set for priority, and the default was on priority express, which is obviously way more expensive, especially one that I had that was like, it was an oversized box. So it was costing me $22 to send out priority as it was, and it was going to be something ridiculous for priority express. So be careful. Don't get into that robot habit of going in, knowing that your measurements are click and hit buy label, purchase label, whatever it is. Because if you don't check where that radio button is, maybe it was just mine, some weird setting changed, but it was defaulting to a faster, more expensive shipping option. So don't let eBay get you on that one. Make sure that it's selected right. Now, it still said buyer selected next to the correct, first class priority media mail. It did it on media mail as well. Media mail tried to put me a default of priority. So, it still had the right one for what the buyer selected, and it let me select it. But if I was just sort of zombieing my way through it and just clicking out of habit, I would have bought a really expensive label. So watch out for that. Thought I'd pass it along. Now, onto the thrifting.
Sorry, I left on your way.
Oh, you're fine. I'll move it. All right. Halloween, where are you? Epileptic skeleton. Some new sealed, but you're gonna be one of those guys that has like a bungee cord tied around your waist to haul the cart behind you. I don't know if there's anything left after you've been through. Yeah, that's where I'm headed. I probably just need this for me. It's new. Something here. Green Bay Packers. Looks old. When you need a hand. $4. All right. Hello. boys and girls. Vintage Kmart Scream. This is still new, guys. This is huge. Okay, this, guys, I don't know. It probably looks cooler in the dark. They want $6 for it. Nothing wrong with it. Oh, might have to get it. We scored. We didn't get much, but we got quality, guys. I think you already saw it. There's not a whole lot of thrifting video because there was not a lot of thrifting to be done. Mark had already cleared most of that place out, but he left us with the Halloween section, and that's where we picked up a couple of huge winners. We're gonna go home, then we'll look at them. Okay, so first off, this one is staying with me because, you know, obviously I don't have enough hats. So I'm going to keep this one. This is a Busch Gardens snapback hat. I'm not really sure. Some Busch Gardens stuff, specifically vintage Busch Gardens, can do well if it's got animals. This one, not a vintage hat, but in really nice shape. So, you know, and it's got the cool tiger on there. I don't know. I'm going to guess it's a 10 or 12 plus shipping hat. Maybe. I just thought it was too neat to leave behind. And then we did get this, get the TV. You guys saw it in the store. $5.99 for that thing. I don't know. I got to look up comps on this. I really don't know. I got to think it's probably about $30 plus shipping. Not bad. Let's go out into the garage. I've hung up the winners of the day. We'll go show you those. And then, guys, now this isn't quite the video game haul, but this is a fantastic find. Scream sells, guys. Even the newer stuff will sell, but this is not newer stuff. This doesn't have the packaging, okay? And I'm going to have to sell it as used. I mean, you can see right there, there's some marking on it. That might just be from age and sitting out and not having a, you know, the packaging on it. I don't think this was actually used. I think it's just got some wear from sitting out wherever it was, but we'll sell it probably pre-owned with an asterisk and then they can read it. But this, I believe, is back from 1997. You can see right there, Easter Unlimited. Later on, they changed that to Fun World. So this is older. And look, here we've got the original. And so if you were curious, look right there. I think we looked at it in the store, but 1997. This is fantastic. Now, if you look at Scream masks, sort by top dollar, and you're going to see some of them go for crazy money, some of the versions of these masks. This one is not crazy money, but this is new, guys. I mean, it's still in the package. It's still got the tags. We paid for each of these $9.99, okay, which is paying up for most costumes. They had some other costumes there, but I didn't buy them because they're not worth $10. I'm going to have to wait till they go on sale and then save them for next year. But this one, and guess what? This one, they were both $10. These could go anywhere between about $60 and $100 a piece. This one, we're probably looking, you know, $50, $60, maybe $70. I mean, depending on what else is out there. But this is vintage, original 1997 Scream. This is going to sell, and it's going to sell well. So, not a really long thrift trip, but a really profitable thrift trip. And like I said, it's not quite Pokemon DS level like our garage sales over the weekend, but this is really, really good. I'm going to be out there looking for the seasonal stuff for the Halloween. Guys, it is time to list that Halloween stuff if you've got it. Thanks for stopping by today, riding along with me. And if you haven't subscribed, we'll do more of these thrift trips, garage sales, what solds, how-tos, all that stuff. If you want to know anything, if you're curious about something, leave a comment down underneath here. And until the next time, we'll see you. Thanks, guys. Bye.